Portable sawmill is designed by our advanced technology to meet the requirements of some customers in Africa or South America. It has the advantages of simple installation, easy operation, labor saving, and high productivity. This machine can be driven by either electromotor or diesel engine, and it's widely used in the area of virgin forests and timber processing enterprises. This product is quite popular in Africa, South America, and Eastern Europe. We sincerely recruit product distributors across the world. The models of our portable sawmills are as follows. MJ1000 portable sawmill. The maximum cutting diameter is 1 meter, which is 40 inches, and the maximum length of cut wood is 4.6 meters. MJ1300 portable sawmill. The maximum cutting diameter is 1.3 meters, which is 50 inches, and the maximum length of cut wood is 4.6 meters. MJ1600 portable sawmill. The maximum cutting diameter is 1.6 meters, which is 60 inches, and the maximum length of cut wood is 4.6 meters. Moreover, the length of the sawmill can be customized. This machine can be operated manually or automatically. Either electromotor or diesel engine can be used as the power source. In addition, we can produce various auxiliary machines of sawmills, such as automatic bandsaw blade, pressure feeder, and quality woodworking bandsaw blade. If you want to see the pictures of the actual samples, please feel free to contact our trading company. Also, we can provide our customers with product instruction booklets, installation drawing, and CDs for product installation and use both in Chinese and English. We sincerely welcome you to visit our company.